Alright, we're on it again. Chao Phraya River right there. Don't look down. This is the Silom area here in Bangkok. Songkran day 3, baby. Check this out. Can we go? Because there's no light indicator, so you just go with the flow, I guess. Follow the crowd. Ah, that was cold. Whew, that was cold. Oh, somebody behind me giving me a bath. Check this out. I should get one of those water guns to get my wreck, so I'm like a big target and I can't even shoot him back. Oh. And another funny thing is, it's so crowded, you don't even know where the water is coming from, so it's just like, you just give up. I wonder where they get all this ice water. Jesus Christ. Some of them were like ice cold water. Oh my God. Oh, here it is. Look at this. Look at this big ass ice. Oh my God. I gotta go away. I don't want that ice water on me. Jesus. I guess I'm gonna hit the road again. Do I have the white thing on my face? I just don't want that thing on my eye. Wow, people just taking over the roads. Oh my God. I wonder how much water they use for this 3 days festival. It's outrageous. I never seen that much water on the streets. Uh-oh. There's a big fight going on here. I don't want to be here. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is never gonna end. Oh, a high pressure one. Check out this water. Oh my God, what was that? Jesus Christ. I came here, it looked empty, but they all just attacked me at the same time. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Whew. Look at this guy, he got a hose. He got a hose. Jesus Christ. So the water gun is not enough, he just got the hose and just running the water the whole time. The warm water. The warm water feels good actually. Alright guys, you know what? I have decided to go to Khao San Road from here. So now I just called a Grab motorcycle taxi. So it's gonna be my first time riding a motorcycle here. We'll see how that's gonna turn out. My ride is supposed to be here in like 3 minutes. Let's check it out. Alright guys, my ride is here. Let me see if it's got you. Oh, is it? Okay, alright, let's do it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, somebody got me in the back. Hi. The four? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Gotta get close. Yes, this is how you do it out here. You know what, guys? Before I come here this year, I was thinking about get a scooter. Forget about it. No chance. People just walking right in the middle. That's crazy. And you know the funny part is you don't even hear one horn. It's working somehow. And nobody mad. Nobody get offensive. They're just having fun trying to get wherever they want to go. Because, you know, being mad is not going to solve anything. They figured that out. Whew. I was actually here last year, but I don't remember this place being this busy. Like, wow. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, we're here. Let me turn the camera off. I'm gonna get off this bike, hopefully in one piece. And I'll continue when I'm ready. Alright guys, I made it out here in one piece, thank God. So, let me cross the street here real quick. Because the Khao San Road is like on the other side. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Could be an accident here like any second. So behind these buildings is where the Khao San Road is. It goes all the way down here. And the scooter ride was 110 baht, which is less than $3-ish. And it took like 20 minutes. So if I ever requested a car, it'll probably gonna take me, I don't know, like an hour, and I have to pay kind of more. I'm not, you know, suggesting doing that because it seems so dangerous. there's no protection whatsoever. I feel pretty safe actually. I don't know, these guys, they grow up here, so they probably just grow up on the scooter. They know what they're doing, but still, you know, water everywhere, roads are slippery, so you never know. You never know when and where the water will be coming. Yeah. Alright, I came to this square kind of thing. I don't know what's the name of it. And they're having some sort of concert and water shows over there, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, I made it here at the entrance for the Khaosan Road. This is one of the entrances. As you can see, there's no way. I mean, there is a way, but it's gonna take probably hours to get in there and another maybe a couple hours to get out. So I'm getting water shirt on at the same time. So yeah, this is the closest I can get. I think I'm gonna call it a night, to be honest. I've been circling around and trying to find my way, then this is the closest I can get. I don't know if it's this year this much busy, because last year we were in there, you know, circling inside without, you know, I mean, of course it was busy, but not that much. So I don't know, I guess my last year videos were very successful, so I made a good advertising for Songkran and Thailand and Bangkok and Khao San Road, so everybody here. I don't even know how I'm gonna call the taxi, where I'm gonna pick him up. So yeah, let me figure out my ride and try to walk away a little bit. Then I'll give you guys an update later. Alright guys, I just requested my ride. It's gonna be here in 2 minutes. I don't know how I'm gonna find him, but he's gonna be here in 2 minutes. Check out all the motorcycles. Is this you? Yeah? Alright, we find him. Alright, that's how you get around in Bangkok. Especially on Songkran time. So this is what you get on Songkran. You're in Bangkok. Hey buddy! Yo. Hello Thailand! Alright, you watch the road. Look at all the dragons. That was a bad idea. Oh my god, I got a crazy one. Yeah. Oh my god, I got a crazy driver. So yeah, this is the Khaosan Road entrance right there. Yeah, forget about it. I couldn't even get close to it. All right, let's go rock and roll.